Welcome to GigaBits. You've probably seen Rob Stevenson Clothing promoted across social media, clean modern designs, big seasonal sales, and ads showing stylish menswear at surprisingly low prices. On the surface, it looks like a premium boutique selling high-quality jackets, shirts, and streetwear essentials. But with so many new clothing sites popping up, and many turning out to be unreliable or outright scams, the big question is Rob Stevenson Clothing actually legit, or is it just another risky online store you should avoid? Today we're breaking down the truth behind the brand. To understand what Rob Stevenson Clothing really offers, I analysed their product catalogue, customer feedback, sizing charts, shipping timelines, and overall website behaviour. I compared their images to other online sellers, reviewed their return policy, and looked at how their customer support responds to issues. By combining this research with common online shopping patterns, here is the most accurate breakdown of whether Rob Stevenson Clothing is trustworthy. Rob Stevenson Clothing claims to be a modern men's fashion brand with exclusive designs, high-quality materials and craftsmanship, fast shipping and easy returns, secure checkout and reliable customer service, a premium boutique experience at affordable prices. These promises sound convincing. But do they hold up? Step 1. Website structure and product images. The website presents itself as a high-end boutique, but many product photos appear identical to images found on generic overseas clothing websites. This means the items may not be exclusive or original, and the quality may differ significantly from the photos shown. Step 2. Pricing and sales tactics. Prices are extremely low compared to typical boutique brands. The site frequently displays countdown timers, urgent sale banners, and limited stock warnings, all signs of psychological pressure commonly used by low-quality or unreliable sellers. While discounts are attractive, the marketing feels more like a mass-produced fast fashion shop than a true designer boutique. Step 3. Shipping behavior. Customer patterns suggest long shipping times. Orders often take weeks to arrive, with tracking numbers that update slowly or inconsistently. This implies Rob Stevenson Clothing likely ships from overseas warehouses, despite the website suggesting faster local delivery. Step 4. Product quality. This is where the most complaints appear. Many customers report receiving clothing that looks different from the website photos, has thin or low-quality fabric, arrives with loose threads or poor stitching, fits incorrectly due to inaccurate sizing guides. Some items arrive acceptable, but overall consistency is questionable. Step 5. Customer service responses from support are inconsistent. Some customers receive replies after several days, while others claim their messages go unanswered. When issues arise, the company often encourages partial refunds instead of allowing full returns, a red flag seen with many unreliable online stores. Step 6. Return policy issues. Although the website advertises hassle-free returns, many buyers report difficulty getting approval. In some cases, the return address is international, and customers must pay expensive shipping fees to send items back, making returns impractical. Step 7. Business transparency. The website does not clearly list a physical address, verified business owner, or reliable contact information. This lack of transparency raises additional concerns about long-term trustworthiness. So, is Rob Stevenson Clothing a scam or legit? Rob Stevenson Clothing is not a complete scam, but it is high risk and unreliable. Customers do receive orders, but shipping delays, inconsistent quality, and difficult returns make the overall experience far from what the website promises. It may be worth it if you don't mind long shipping times, are okay with clothing that may differ from photos, don't need easy returns or fast customer support. It is not recommended if you expect high-quality garments, fast, reliable shipping, accurate sizing, smooth refund or return processes, verified boutique-level craftsmanship. Safer and more trustworthy clothing sites exist, making this one hard to recommend. If this review helped you decide whether Rob Stevenson Clothing is worth your money, hit the like button and subscribe to GigaBits. We bring you honest product breakdowns every week, so you always know which sites to trust.